Hey people, welcome to another vlog from Twin Wolf, and it's a good day and a new day and a rainy day. Here we are on a short ride again. So this is going to be just 80 kilometers ride, and it's going to be a single day out from my home. Yeah, today we are headed toward Dodballapura, and we are going to be exploring a dam there. Hope you see the thumbnail. I forgot the name, so hope you see the thumbnail and get to know what was the place it is about. So it is actually Dandigana it is Dandigana Halli Dam. Yeah, Dandigana Halli Dam. Yeah, if I remember it correctly. Yes, it is. Or else you can just check the thumbnail. Or else I'll put it in the walk over here. It's like you feel like you are shower. It on and off, on and off. That's all. It rains for a bit and it stops for a bit. It rains again and it stops again. That's how it goes in Bangalore during the monsoon. Yeah. What else you want? On a weekend and the roads are so empty, I feel something is happening over here. That was crazy. It will be so good to ride it like this, the roads like this, which is like purely washed from a rainwater, and it is like a carpet. So clean. Yeah. Hey Mr. Jack. Actually, we have two routes to go to this place. Either we can go towards Chikballapura and then connect over to the same highway which connects from Dodballapura. So we are just trying to do this thing over Dodballapura. We'll see how this goes. We have one more friend coming from Lanka. That's Mr. Jack, one of his colleagues, who is joining us on the morning ride today. Now only I got to know that the last 6 kilometers is going to be an off-road session, off-road trial to reach the place. So even today we're gonna have fun. It's a little drizzle, but it is not raining heavily, but it is drizzling, so I can feel my jacket's not getting wet. It's raining, so I had to keep my GoPro inside. See you in a bit. Full tank ಮಾಡಬೇಕಣ್ಣ. ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ದಂಗ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿ ಫುಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. So fueling is done. So we have to take around 50 kilometers more, and we are around like 1 hour 5 minutes for the destination. 50 kilometers we can cover it like that. It goes, the time flies. So the weather is good. I'm just praying that it should not rain again. Anyhow, we are on rain gears. It's not a problem. We're about to rain gear, so it should not be a worrying factor. Believe me guys, the climate is very awesome. I'm not sure like how this GoPro are gonna do that. It's the best. I mean, justice to this climate. It's awesome. It's awesome. That's all I can say. The climate is very awesome to ride, especially. We are going towards Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur, Hindupur. 8 kilometers more. So we'll zoom the camera. vlog on the top of the mountain. Yes, I believe you can see. I'm not sure like how this GoPro is gonna work. Do the justice. But the path looks amazing, amazing. See the, it's like a snow-capped mountain towards the fog. Wow, look at the view. Awesome, man. It shows 22 kilometers more to go. There's a deviation in 3.6 kilometers, 1 kilometer, and then we have to take a right turn. Oh, it's suggesting that right. Okay, I see a rider. We have to take that right, and 9.6 kilometers on the state highway. Look at the view. Both the sides, it's how the plantations are going on. The car is broken down. Oh my god. Oh. The whole road is like totally pleasant. I'm sure like when the people travel towards this side, you're gonna be enjoying the climate and the roads. The roads are very good, and it doesn't have any complaints on the roads. Geography is very good over here. You'll be totally enjoying the road. I suggest you can visit as a one-day get out. Yeah, circle, we have to take the right turn. We have to take this left turn again. It's a steep left. One, two. Three. Wait, she should be going there. I missed the turn. I'll take right from here. Okay, now it's all a single lane. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆದಪ್ಪ మంచిది బాగా చేస్తారు మీరు. ఎస్, see the beauty, man. ಕೋಡಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಮಂಚೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ. What a body here. Awesome, man. Oh god. If it is in city, they would have built an opposite building over here, and they said Lake Wave Resort or Lake Wave Residency. They name it like that. Dandiganahalli. Okay, so the name itself, it sounds it should be a border of Karnataka and AP. Dandiganahalli. Yes, we are about to reach the place Dandiganahalli. So that's now I remember the place name. It's Dandigana Halli Dam. Yeah, from here I believe the off-road starts. Oh. Okay, this is fine. If you have seen my other video that we went to exploring a river, Arkavati river, then you would have known what the off-road trail would be. And this is and all, it's like this. We can take it off anytime. It's all like a solid road. This is and all, it's very good. And if you have not seen my video, just please go and check on my other video that we have explored Arkavati river from a different viewpoint than a dam or else normal flowing water. We would have shot at drone scenics and everything. Just go check it out. I'll give the links on the below. Just go and check it out, and please feel free to comment and let us know how the content was. The legend. That's how we should ride. There is no ABS, even there is no disc brakes. But see how they ride. This is what I was talking about. If it rains, it will be very sloggy, and if your wheel gets stuck in a sloggy mud, right? So it's very tough to get it out of the slug. That's why we should be very careful. I don't see a lot of crowd over here. And if you're coming in car, you have a lot of space to park your car over here. And this is where the dam begins, and we are here. Oh, the climate seems to be very good. Wow. ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಭಯமா இருக்குதே. கீழே பார்த்தனே வரதுனால மாதிரி இருக்கு.